na agiukaga uria mwalimu augire mwalimu wa Mukangu ni uhoro wa ma kiharwe wodi ithathatu na tondu tuonete utongoria wa thukuru ni ukoragwo na uge munene muno woria thukuru irathie na mbere. No principles a thukuru citu ciothe cia day, every word the sixth one uria gukorwo na bemwe ni uria best improved kigeranio giki kiraumire ira othe ni 12 tukamaingiria ndege mathie nginya Dubai maikare wiki ngima macoke Kenya na tumatwaraga tugacoka tukamahe nginya kanyamu ga spend mundwe kou niguo ndagakorwe na garama ya thabari iyo. Nao aria mari last year magitongoria na acio matongoririe no matongoria rita riri ni tondu ndungiherithia mundu ni gutongoria ati uge tondu wathiete nduguthie. Uria watongoririe last year agithie Dubai na ni atongoria this time ucio nake turamutwara bururi witagwo Mauritius mathie meyonere kou macoke Kenya na arimu aria the best improved per subject arutani aitu the best improved per subject per both sub counties ona utura matwara Mombasa na ndege methambire macoke mari sawa. Na kwa hivyo this kind of motivation we do them because we know even beyond masomo bora motivation is important, and for a school performance mwalimu mkuu anachagia kwa kubwa sana, and that is why in all our 6 wards the best school and the best improved out of the yesterday's release of KCSE, in all the 6 wards we are taking 2 best improved, that is 1, and also the best performing and the best improved in all the 6 wards, which is 6 times 12. Wote tunawapeleka Dubai for a week, 12 of them, they come back kama wameona mambo ya Dubai bila kulipa chochote. And for those who were able to lead last year, they went to Dubai, and even this time they have led. Tunabadilisha tuwapeleke Mauritius because you cannot punish performance. Yule alienda na ametia bidii ameongoza tena, tunampeleka pahali kwingine so that we continue motivating our principles. Mtu wa mwisho na nigwenda arutwo mutege matu. Munaona hata the mix, hatukuleta all who are men and also not all who are ladies. Tumeleta kwa sababu we know there are young ladies here from our day schools, na ndio maana pia tunataka waone ladies who have made it and also men. That is why Shaka is here. And now I want us tafadhali tupige makofi tukaribishe CEO wa Family Bank.
This is Africa.
Who is a lady Nancy Jau, na nimurona oyo tohakirie nacio nginya sure sawa biyo. Gociria nikio andu othe marahingura bengi kou marora sura ya CEO mundu akauga hingurira account kundu kou. Karibu sana Nancy.
Asante sana mheshimiwa. Bwana asifiwe. Bwana asifiwe. Ngidi hana shaka kwa ugo kariwa neguoya wega na nindakena ni undu wa kanyaga kadatuka wa kuheo ni mubunge wakwa ndi wa Kiharu. Kogo mukiuga tunyorokie Kiharu mugamurekagia atia ona ni noguo njugaga. Kogo nindiracokeria Ngai ngatho ni undu wa kanyaga ka atuika wa kuhe this afternoon, na muno makiria ni kumenya setup na kiria gitumite tukorwo turi haha. Ni tondu kiria gitumite tukorwo turi haha muthenya wa umuthi nikio gitumite ngorwo ndi haha uhoro wigie githomo, na ni thengiu muno mheshimiwa witu ni undu wa gwikirira githomo, because I can tell you na ndenda kwira students githomo nikihinguraga mirango mingi muno na nikio gitukinyitie haha, na ungithikiriria aria maria mbere yakwa na ndikwenda gucokera maundu maria maingi maria mararia uria makoretwo magithie na mbere thiini wa miturire yao na makaria uhoro wa githomo, and I'll repeat the same. Ati githomo nikio gitumite ngorwo nginyite ndi haha. Na ndiambiririe kana ndiaciarirwo ndi CEO wa Family Bank. Ndaciarirwo aciari o ta ũrĩa ithuĩ twaciarire ciana iria twĩ nacio. Ciana ici tũrona haha ũguo, our boys, our girls, ũguo noguo na ithuĩ twakũrire. Na thĩna mũingĩ kana o ũrĩa kũhana, na nĩ njũĩ maũndũ maingĩ tũkoragwo tũkĩgerera, even me, no mo ndagereirio nĩ aciari akwa. But I can tell you one thing today. Angĩkorwo kũrĩ kĩndũ kĩamĩkire difference thĩinĩ wa mũtũrĩre wakwa nĩ gĩthomo. Tiga nĩ gĩthomo, ndingĩrĩ ndĩ haha, ndũgamĩrĩire bengi ya Family Bank, toguo mwaigua, in Kenya, twĩ na branches hakuhĩ 100, that is 95 branches, na twĩ counties-inĩ 33 out of the 47 counties. Na nĩ tũcavaga customers aingĩ, na nĩ thengiũ mũno tondũ njũĩ haha nĩ kũrĩ na customers. We have over 1 million customers arĩa tũtungataga. No mũno nĩ thengiũ mũno mũheshimiwa, nĩ ũndũ nĩ wahe these boys and girls an opportunity to exploit their potential. Ũkamahe kanya atĩ nĩ megũikara cukuru. Niĩ ndirikana hĩndĩ ndathomaga nĩ twaingatagwo we. But I thank God atĩ aciari a Kĩharũ day schools, na nĩ wega tũhũrĩre mũheshimiwa witũ rũhĩ, day schools. Aciari a Kĩharũ day school atĩ ciana citũ citiraingatwo tondũ nĩ njiguire nĩ tugire 1,000 nĩ tũgwetha part term. Nĩ twĩtĩkanĩririe ũguo? Na korwo ndũramenya ũrĩa ũngĩ-save mbeca icio, ndĩ haha na ndĩ na timu yakwa ya Family Bank, tũgũkũhingũrĩra account thimũ-inĩ. He mũndũ heanire proposal haha iga tũikagia ciringi cigana? Kĩbaũ. Na rĩu tondũ rĩmwe nĩ ũigagia kĩbaũ ũgacoka ũkagĩra, he account ingĩkũhingũrĩra ũikagie kĩbaũ igana ũhithage hau nĩgetha ũrĩhe 1,000. Tondũ gũtirĩ kĩndũ kĩega ta kũmenya atĩ mwana waku wona athiĩ cukuru ndekũinũka. Mũtikenagio nĩ ũhoro ũcio? Na in fact, ũndũ ũngĩ ndaigua na ndĩũiguĩte o Kĩharũ tu, ainũkaga nginya arĩte. Mararĩa nginya cabaci. Wanafunzi, hello. Kama unaniona nipungie mkono, hello. Let me tell you, students, in this country of ours called Kenya, very few, if any, are enjoying that opportunity and that privilege. If any, I've said if any, other than yourselves. Atenema ni ũgũkire na ndũregia, na menya nĩ ngũthiĩ cukuru na nĩ ngũthoma. And looking at what happens in schools, arimũ arĩa twĩ nao, acio no matrainĩtwo ta arĩa me Alliance, ta arĩa me Murang'a High School, etiguo. Koguo mũheanĩre wao wa gĩthomo, it is the same. Aciari aitũ, the same. It is us who are different. Na nĩngwenda encourage aciari o ta ũrĩa mwĩrirwo, please, anjai kwaria na kũrathĩra ciana cianyu maũndũ mega. Na nĩ kũrĩ andũ maugaga atĩ, ona gũtirĩ ona thoma gũtirĩ na mawĩra, rekei ndĩmwĩre, mawĩra mekuo. Reke athome tondũ ta rĩu rĩ, angĩaga gũthoma wĩra ũcoke woneke rĩ, no one wĩra. No angĩkorwo athomete wĩra woneke rĩ, nĩ ekuona. Yes, koguo rekei encourage na twaragie wega na twaragie mĩario mĩega igũrũ rĩgiĩ ciana citũ nĩgetha cituĩke cia gũthoma. To the students, 70% ya outcome depends on you, and that is my own analysis. Ndikwenda kuga nĩ research njĩkĩte. But looking at the contribution ya success ya mũrutwo yumaga na kũrĩ we. Tondũ mũciari ndethoma, nĩ mũgũthoma. Mũciari nĩ mũgũthoma inyuĩ. Mwana nĩ wa gũthoma. Mwarimũ nĩ egũthoma. Mwarimũ egũka athomithie. Na isitoshe, ndaigua mheshimiwa witũ aiga atĩ nĩ tũkũheo revision books. It is one thing to get revision books, and it is another thing to read. Koguo ingĩmwĩhoya, let us make sure that we commit ourselves, because the world is full of opportunities. Hĩndĩ ĩrĩa Shaka aria haha ũguo na paste maũndũ marĩa ekaga, nginya ndakira ndeyũria atĩrĩrĩ, I think I have a lot of work to do. No kiri ũguo wĩciria hihi wĩ CEO, you are at the top. But Shaka, you have challenged me. You have challenged me. And I want to believe next time wona ndetwo nĩ mũheshimiwa, gakorwo na ngobia ĩngĩ mutikike uria karohe agikorwo ndona challenge even by our sister there agakwira maundu maria areka and they are not ti andu maumete ti araika, they are human beings like ourselves. I want to challenge you, please, students specifically. You have a very good opportunity to define your life. And I want you to think about your life in 10 years to come. Because right now, even those who are in Form 2, you only have 3 years in high school. And you'll be out. By the way, but it is a defining moment for you. It is a foundational moment. And allow me to say, interviews certificate to students, I want you to listen. Students, if you're there and you're a student, just listen to this. When you're doing the interviews, when you're looking for a job, the first certificate we ask from you is your high school certificate. Certificate yaku ya Form 4. Akorone wira uraheo hado kana ni appointment urekwo hado, certificate ya Form 4 ni muhimu muno. Kogwo, it is important that you put a lot of effort. And now that you've been given a platform, you are not worried about whether you'll be chased out of school tomorrow or what will happen. Please give the best. It is only 3 years now. Those who are in Form 2, you only have 3 years. And then they can define your path. Otuike mwana biashara monene muno guku Kenya. Otuike mwana siasa monene guku Kenya. Otuike CEO guku Kenya and beyond. Can you imagine modu athietaga tuika chairman US, America? Are you namaigua horocio hihi? To Kenya. You have that opportunity as students. And I want to challenge us, please, let's do the best that we can. Na nemuheto advice nyingi muno on how to do it. Set your goal. Get to know, what do I want to become? How do I want my life to be when I'm 50 years old? And you start thinking backwards. Please just know that you don't have all the time. Let me say this. It is not easy. It is not easy. It is full of challenges. When you look at us here, those people who have stood here, don't think it has been easy. Ate no gukira wakora maundu maku ni marathie wega asha. Nigukoragwo na kundu ukabatirira, you face challenges in life. And I want to tell you, even for you to get a good grade, it is not going to be easy. It requires a lot of sacrifice. It is not easy, but it is not impossible. It is something that you can do. Students, you cannot operate normally and then you expect that you're going to get those huge grades. Please sacrifice. If you're in Form 4, sacrifice this 1 year. Sacrifice 1 year. Jitolee kabisa. Jitume kabisa as far as masomo is concerned. And I am very sure that you can change your story. Our sister has told us about a story. You can change your story. You can relight your story within 1 year. For those who are in Form 3, you have a better opportunity. There are 2 years to go. You can choose, and it starts with your mind. You can choose and say, I'm going to focus on this one. Because that is what you're supposed to do right now. For those who are in Form 2, you have 3 good years. You can change your story. It doesn't matter the school you are in. Call it what? It was a sentence. Yuma sentence. But you can see he is here. So even for you, don't look at the school. Just apply yourself. I'm so encouraged that you can realize and you can open up at Form 3 or even at Form 4. Encourage students. There is a world of opportunities. There is nothing you cannot be. There is nothing you cannot become. When I finished my university and I joined Family Bank then, when if you came there, you could not have thought. No, rise your but through hard work, you have to do it. Hard work despite the challenges. So that I come encourage, please, let's keep at it. Have your own dream. Know the relationships to keep. Please focus. I am seeing a situation whereby kiharo togushoka haria twari tene hende ria results cia announceagwo na goko niku gwatongoragia ne makana tima ne gwatongoragia kana gutiatongoragia. That is where we are going to go. Todo inyue you've been given that opportunity na nemo kwerutaniria. So please apply yourselves. Just know what to do. Every season in life has a meaning. Right now you're in high school. In 3 years, you'll be out of that place. You go to university and you go to other things. You start companies and they'll flourish. Na ciari tafadhali, reke twaririe ciana citu. Reke twaririe ciana citu. Because I know, nemurenda ciana ithereme, tondu na inyuĩ nĩ mũgũtherema. Reke tutikanoge. Tutikanoge, onoeka mahetia, thiĩ na mbere na kũmwarĩria. Na ithuĩ, sons and daughters, reke tuigue, tutikanoge. Because we know, at the end of it all, nĩtũga Kenya will have a reason to celebrate. Koguo mũheshimiwa witũ no arute wĩra mũnene, ne sacrifice, tari hamwe nĩ augire sacrifice even his own resources, kana mbeca ciake, amu support, amwehererie mũrigo. Please, he has done the heavy work. Reke to support this program, reke to support our students, and for students, please, the sky is not even the limit. You can be anything. Just go for it. There's something that was done here by one of the speakers. Aimana mafuku oga ni arenda kuheana mafuku. And I saw parents nio magerire mafuku macio. And he said something. Life owes you nothing. It owes you what you go for. So long as you set your path towards that. You set your mind towards that. You have goals towards achieving that. Na osapoto ne aciari, no sapoto ne adwariaki. And I want to say this, for students, sometimes you go through challenges, and we find it even in the working place. Okona modo ni arage, ena stress, ena issues that affect health yake. Please speak up. If you have an issue that is bothering you, speak up. Aria, aikorokuri no dora ogoikareire hakiri. Please speak about it. We've had a lot of issues, mental issues. Speak about it and get the support that you require. Otherwise, as I finish, hey ile tumokire kuga shairi haha. And when I saw them, I saw myself so many years ago. I saw myself. So innocent, full of energy, and I can tell you when I saw them seated there, I saw CEOs. When I saw them here, with that level of innocence, I saw serious leaders in this country. Serious leaders. And as our MP said, the difference is only time. It is only time. And how you behave or act in that time. Ni dinona modu otagitherema dinona modu otagithie kuraihu. I didn't see. So I want to challenge you and to challenge all of us. Let's support them. Let's keep going. Let's see, because this mantle has to be passed on to somebody else. Totigotora to CEOs forever. Somebody else will take it. How I pray that the person who is going to take it is right here in this field. That is my prayer. Our MP will not be an MP forever. How I pray that one time a person seated in this forum is going to take up that mantle, because they know that there is a journey that we are going to. And they have taken it from our MP. And the people who are privileged to do that are our students. Students, please give it your very best. We are there to support you. For parents, we welcome you. We are there to support you financially, to help you support financially. Aria maremaga mashani, ukai, aria maremaga kahua, aria maremaga makona horo wa iria, twina products icio the Harrier Family Bank. Nigetha muhote kumu support. Nigetha muhote kuruta ngiri mwe na muhote kuruta mbeca icio ingi irabatarania kuria ciana citu ire, so that we can support each other and grow. Akorwo wina kabiacara gutiramakania kabiacara kau kaigana atia. Just come. Just come, visit our branches here. Tuna branch Muranga, tuna branch Kagema aria makuiririe Kagema, tuna branch Kiria-ini aria mangihota guthie naku Kiria-ini. We have branches everywhere, tuna agents. Come, we support you financially. Nigetha uhote kuruta ngiri ĩmwe na mbeca iria ingĩ irabatarania, and together we are going to make Kiharu great and Kenya great. Thank you very much for the opportunity, Mheshimiwa. I don't take it for granted. I wish you well, even as you continue konyorokia Kiharu. Reke itumuhuria roho ya gĩũka. Asanteni sana and God bless you.
Thank you very much, Nancy. Tumpigie makofi tafadhali. CEO ogo clarify. CEO niwe mundu uria rugamirire Family Bank yothe Kenya. Branch manager othe me rungu rwake, andu aria angi othe me rungu rwake, koguo niwe hari iguru muno makiria. Either MD or CEO is the same title. Nĩngwenda rĩu aciari na njĩra nguhĩ tugeithio nĩ our MCAs na mena ũhoro mwega magũtũhe wĩgiĩ oro masomo bora, na mekuo othe no matigũikara magũtũgeithio na njĩra nguhĩ, na ngwenda gwĩta Mheshimiwa Kamwaga oke nĩguo atwĩtire na njĩra nguhĩ, na tondũ no atatwaĩrie no tũtikũmũiga mũno, acio angĩ hihi no ũtambulishe na marĩtwa. Tupigie John Kamwaga makofi. Asante sana.
Our friend area MP, CEOs present, our GAO led by our ACC, other leaders led by my colleague MCAs, church leaders, aciari na arutwo, Ngai nĩ mwega na hĩndĩ ciothe. Happy New Year. Kamutari akenu ni mundu wa maundu mega. Happy New Year. Ngai nĩ mwega. Bwana asifiwe. Nyoni uguo na guoko. Bwana asifiwe. Turi akenu na wanafunzi oza oya. Ndikwenda kuria mahinda maingi tondu muthenya ũyũ mũthĩ nĩ wa gĩkeno mũno na